Here's an explanatory breakdown of 50 essential Korean words. 1. 안녕하세요, meaning hello, usage, polite greeting used in formal settings or with strangers. 두 번째 안녕, meaning hi or bye, usage, informal greeting or farewell with friends or people your age. C. 왔어요, meaning you're here or I'm here. Usage, casual way to greet someone when they arrive or to announce your arrival. 네, 가자, meaning let's go. Usage, used to encourage someone to go together, casually. 그럼요, meaning of course or sure. Usage, polite affirmation or agreement. 여섯, 좋아, meaning 좋아요 or 좋습니다. Usage, casual approval, often used to express satisfaction or agreement. 싫해요, meaning I don't like it or I hate it. Usage, informal way to express dislike or refusal. 근데, meaning but or however. Usage, common conversational filler for transitioning thoughts. 아무튼, meaning anyway or in any case. Usage, used to steer the conversation back or end it casually. 시봉 괜찮아, meaning it's okay or I'm fine. Usage, casual reassurance or response to check-ins. 11번째 그냥, meaning just or simply. Usage, used to explain simplicity or lack of reason. CB, 기억정하지 마, meaning don't worry. Usage, used to comfort someone in casual settings. 13번째 그리고 meaning and. Usage, a conjunction to link sentences or ideas. 씹사 이엄마, meaning mom. Usage, informal affectionate way to call one's mother. 시보, 아바, meaning dad. Usage, informal affectionate way to call one's father. 시비역, 여보세요, meaning hello. Usage, used when answering the phone. 17, 모르겠어, meaning I don't know. Usage, casual way to express uncertainty or lack of knowledge. 대열, 그래서, meaning so or therefore. Usage, used to explain results or reasons casually. 19, 잠깐만, meaning wait a moment or hold on. Usage, common phrase to ask for a short pause. 20, good, meaning that or that's the thing. Usage, casual phrase for explanation or pointing out something. 21, 죄송해요, meaning I'm sorry. Usage, polite apology in formal situations. 22, 혹시, meaning by any chance. Usage, used to politely ask questions or express uncertainty. 23, 사랑해, meaning I love you. Usage, casual expression of love or deep affection. 24, 그렇구나, meaning oh I see. Usage, used to acknowledge or react to new information. If you're getting value from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. 25, 알겠습니다, meaning I understand or got it. Usage, formal response to show understanding. 26, 다행이다, meaning that's a relief. Usage, used to express relief in conversations. 27, 됐어, meaning it's fine or never mind. Usage, casual way to dismiss something. 28, 그래도, meaning even so or still. Usage, used to contrast or persist despite reasons. 29, 이거, meaning this. Usage, used to refer to an object close to the speaker. 30, 그거, meaning that. Usage, used to refer to an object close to the listener. 31, 그럴 리가, meaning that can't be or no way. Usage, used to express disbelief. 32, 실은, meaning actually or in fact. Usage, used to clarify or reveal something. 33, 글쎄, meaning well or Usage, expressing hesitation or doubt. 34, 설마, meaning no way or really. Usage, used to express shock or disbelief. 35, 정말, meaning really or truly. Usage, used to emphasize or question sincerity. 36, 오늘, meaning today. Usage, basic time expression. 37, 내일, meaning tomorrow. Usage, basic time expression. 38, 지금, meaning now. Usage, commonly used in time expressions. 39, 맞아, meaning that's right. Usage, casual way to confirm agreement. 40, 그래, meaning okay or sure. Usage, casual expression of agreement, 사십일, 있어, meaning there is or I have. Usage used to affirm existence or possession, 사십이, 없어, meaning there isn't or I don't have. Usage used to deny existence or possession, 사십삼, 저기, meaning over there or excuse me. Usage used to point out something or politely get attention, 사십사, 감사합니다, meaning thank you. Usage formal and polite gratitude, 사십오, 고마워요, meaning thank you. Usage informal gratitude, 사십육 간다, meaning I'm leaving. Usage casual farewell, 사십칠, 갈게, meaning I'll go or I'm going. Usage casual way to announce leaving, 사십팔, 들어가, meaning go inside or see you later. Usage informal goodbye, especially over the phone, 사십구, 그래도, meaning even so or still. Usage used to emphasize perseverance or contrast, 오십, 맞아, meaning that's right. Usage casual agreement or confirmation. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe and on the bell